Today I have a Stitch Fix to share with you, but this is going to be different than any other Stitch Fix I've done because it is a maternity Stitch Fix. Yes, in case you didn't know, Stitch Fix does have maternity clothes, and since their regular clothes will not fit me right now, I thought I'd give their maternity stuff a try. But I asked for very specific things because I'm looking for maybe some dressier holiday tops to wear to Christmas and holiday events. This video may go up after Christmas or in the new year, but I'm recording it before Christmas. So I'm looking for some tops to wear on Christmas or to holiday events, but I'm also looking for a dress for my baby shower, which will be in January. And I've found finding a dress a little bit challenging because things either seem to be very fancy or very casual. I'm having difficulty finding in between. So I'm hopeful for this fix. I know from the initial preview, it didn't seem like they were sending me a lot of what I asked for, so I rejected a lot of the items, wrote a note again reminding the stylist what I was looking for, but maybe they just don't carry stuff like that in their maternity. I don't know, so we're gonna find out today and we're gonna see what they have and what hopefully works. So let's look at the items, then we'll read the note from the stylist. So we've got what looks like a lightweight basic sweater. Actually, I think I have a very similar sweater from them, just in navy. But of course this would be maternity, and I do like the button detailing on the shoulders. Of course I like it because it's pink, but it's not holiday or dressy. So, don't know about that. Definite maternity top. Not loving the pattern at all. And it's got a tie, and I'm not a big fan of things that tie either, so far it's not looking promising. Here we have a dress, but not exactly holiday. Don't know about short sleeves for my baby shower in January in a cold climate, but we will see. And then I did see that they had put pants, and originally I had asked for no pants, but my pants these days are slim pickings, so I thought I'd give their maternity pants a try because I could use some more pants for work. So these are just a black dress pants, so I thought, why not? I'll give them a shot. See if maybe I can add a pair of pants to my wardrobe. And then we have a white cardigan, which looks like a very nice white cardigan, but I don't have a need for white cardigans because I already have 2 white cardigans. So, but maybe they were thinking over the short sleeve dress. But only one dress and no real holiday tops, so I'm feeling a bit disappointed, and I haven't even tried anything on yet. I do think I got a new stylist, which is unfortunate because my last stylist I had 2 fixes with and really liked because she seemed to really get me a bit better, send me things I liked, and I thought I read in the note that it was a new stylist, which maybe means the one I had left, because usually they'll try to give you the same person that you already had, especially if you liked them, but they must have left or something because I think I got a new person. I'm not sure it's going so well. Let's see what they said in their notes. Hello, Erin. Welcome back and happy Fix Day. I'm thrilled to be your new stylist, and I'm here to help you find the perfect pieces for this special time in your life. I've noticed you've picked some lovely items in your Fix preview. Oh, right, the pants and the shirt. And I've added a few more to complete your fix. I hope you'll find these selections to your liking. I see you selected the Letty and Me sweater and the black trousers. The sweater is a great choice for holiday gatherings. Is it? I don't know if it really gives me that holiday feel. With its maternity button detailing adding a touch of elegance, pair it with the black trousers for a comfortable yet chic look. I also noticed your request for a dress for your baby shower. The red Cali dress I've chosen is perfect for the occasion. I don't know if I agree with that. It will keep you warm during the winter months. It's short sleeve. For an added layer, you can wear the sweater cardigan over it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Happy styling, Megan. Well, I'm not feeling too good about this, but I'm gonna go and try the stuff on for you. All right, here's this top. I'm not a fan. One, because it's short sleeve, which this time of year is not gonna be warm enough for me. And again, I don't like this tie business. I'd rather do without it. And I'm not crazy about the print. So I already know this is gonna be a no for me. The fit seems fine, but the top itself is going to be a no for me. So this top is the Full Moon Segura Rayon Gauze Tie Waist Shirt in the color olive, and this is size medium maternity, and this shirt is $44, but it's not going to be for me. And then I've got the pants on as well. They're size 8 maternity, but I don't know, on first putting them on, they feel a bit snug. And not only that, but I just don't like the way that they lay at the bottom, which I'll show you in a moment if I can, because they're nicely tailored at the bottom, like they have a cuff and everything, but they seem to bunch a bit, and they're not skinny or wide, so I don't know what shoes I would wear with them, because they can't really tuck into a pant, and they can't tuck into a shoe, and they can't go over the shoe either. So I'm just not feeling them. So hopefully you can see them better now, how they kind of bunch. They're not too long, but they definitely bunch, and I don't know. I'm just not feeling the fit of them, because I don't know, honestly, how much I would wear them. I wish they were either kind of flared or fully skinny. So the pants are by Tribal, and it's their Fiat Maternity Cuffed Straight Trouser, size 8 maternity, $58. These are not a $58 pant for me. So I'm going to leave the pants on and try on that other sweater for you. Here's the sweater, and it's soft, comfortable, but lightweight. I feel like it's a bit too lightweight for this time of year for me. And since I won't really be wearing maternity stuff beyond February, I don't know how much you said get out of it, because to me this is more of a springtime sweater. The arms are a little bit long, and I feel like the sweater comes down kind of long too, but I think that's just to be able to stretch for the belly. It does have the ruching on the side, which helps with the stretch. And again, that button detailing on the shoulder. And then here's what it looks like from the back. So this is the Letty and Me Patent Maternity Button Detail Sweater in Blush, size medium maternity, $48. While I like it, I just don't feel like I have a need for something like this right now, this time of year. And I don't think I'd get much wear out of it because it's not super warm. And I'd rather hold off and get something like this to wear in the spring when I'd be wearing it hopefully in my regular size. So what's a nice sweater. I do feel like it's good quality, just to show you closer up. But for now, for $48 when I'm on a tight budget, I think I'm gonna have to say no to this as well. Now I'm going to try on the dress and sweater for you, even though I don't have high hopes for them, but you never know. Sometimes when you put things on, they surprise you. So we will see. Here is the dress and the cardigan. I do like that the cardigan's a little bit longer, so it goes well with the dress. It does feel like nice quality. However, again, I feel like the arms are a bit too long on me. I mean, I could roll them, but I just feel like they're a bit too long. And while it is comfortable and seems like a nice lightweight cardigan, I don't need a white cardigan, so I will likely not be keeping this. And when it comes to the dress, I don't feel like it fits me correctly, like the seam where the seam lies. I don't know, I just don't feel like the top fits correctly. And again, I don't think I can use something short sleeve that I would have to wear. I mean, I'll probably have to wear tights with any dress, but it is on the shorter length, so it doesn't feel very warm to me. I don't think it'd be something I'd want to wear to my baby shower. So now let me show you the dress without the sweater, just so you can get the full effect. So this is what it's looking like without the sweater. I don't think it really does anything fantastic for me. It's not something that I'd want to wear to my baby shower. Well, it is a little bit more than that casual and isn't super dressy. I was looking for something with longer sleeves, different style, and maybe more of a solid or at least different print, something like that. So then just to show you the top a little bit closer, it's just not very comfortable in here, and I don't feel like it lays properly with the seam. So unfortunately this was not a successful fix for me. I don't know if that's because their maternity selection is maybe more limited, or a new stylist, or my price range. It could be a combination of all those things, but I don't find anything in this to be something that I'm loving or wanting to keep. I did forget to tell you the price and sizing of those last two things, so let me do that. So the cardigan is Letty and Me, so that must be one of their maternity brands. Oakland ribbed sleeved cardigan, size medium, maternity I'm assuming, or maybe it's just a medium, $46. And then the dress, Kylie Amandine maternity knit dress, medium maternity, $54. This is not a $54 dress to me, but maybe my expectations are unrealistic at this point, I don't know. But yeah, unfortunately, nothing from this fix was exactly what I was looking for. I had kind of specific things in mind, and sometimes that can work against you, so none of this is stuff that I'd be wearing or using for these events coming up, so it's nothing that I'm going to keep, unfortunately. And it's not likely that I'll get another maternity fix. Hopefully maybe I can get one to get some new clothes after having the baby, when I'm getting back into more regular clothes. So there you go. My latest Stitch Fix for you unfortunately was not successful, but I hope you enjoyed watching it and hope you enjoyed seeing some of the maternity options that Stitch Fix has available. And please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment with your thoughts, and I will see you soon.